alaikum everyone, hope so all of you are doing well. Welcome back to all of you in Maths Academy. In today's video we will learn about power of power. So let's get started. Power of power. You can see in front of you there is a picture. In that one picture there is power of power. A is a base, M is the power and N is the power of power. So how to solve power of power? Simply whenever, wherever we will see power of power, we will multiply both powers. You can see here a m raised to power n. This is equal to a m multiplied by n. We can understand the concept of power by the examples given in the bottom of the picture. You can see 2 raised to power 3 raised to power 4. 4 is the power of 2 raised to power 3. So simply whenever we are going to solve any question having power of power, simply multiply both powers. Here 2 raised to power 3 raised to power 4. We will multiply 3 by 4 and 3 4s are 12. Simply in all questions wherever we see the power of power, we solve it like this. Let's understand the concept of power by these three parts. You can see here 4 raised to power 2 raised to power 4. It is power of power. Simply we will multiply the powers. 4 raised to power 2 multiplied by 4 and then it will be equal to 4 raised to power 2 4s are 8. Done. Let's solve the second example. C raised to power 8 raised to power 8. Power of power. So multiply the powers. C raised to power 8 multiply by 8 and it is equal to C raised to power 8 8 the 64. Next is 9 raised to power 1 raised to power 3. Power of power. Simply multiply the given powers. 9 raised to power 1 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. 1 3s are 3. Done. Our next concept is negative exponent. Whenever we see that our term is having negative exponent, simply we will write the given term, the given number or given variable in reciprocal. Like you can see in front of you there is a raised to power minus n. Whenever we will write its reciprocal, simply we will write it like this: 1 over a raised to power n. When we will write reciprocal, then negative power will become positive. You can see a raised to power minus n is a reciprocal of an. There is an example: 3 raised to power minus 2 and it is equal to 1 over 3 raised to power 2. Negative exponent has become positive exponent after taking the reciprocal of it. Let's solve the following examples. You can see all the terms having negative exponents. So firstly, when we are going to solve the negative exponents, we will simply take the reciprocal of our given terms. 1 over b raised to power 1. Whenever we will take reciprocal of our given term, its negative exponent will convert into positive exponents. Let's solve the second one. 6 raised to power minus 3. It will be equal to 1 over 6 raised to power 3. 4 raised to next is 4 raised to power minus 10. It will be 1 over 4 raised to power 10. Simple. It is solved. Next, x raised to power minus 6. It will become 1 over x raised to power 6. Last one is p raised to power minus 2. It will become 1 over p raised to power 2. Done. Hope so negative exponent is clear for all of you. If there is any confusion, you can ask in comment section. Inshallah, I will reply you. Okay, so our last concept is zero exponent. For every number a can be any number, it can be any variable. A raised to power 0 is equal to 1. For example, 4 raised to power is equal 0 is equal to 1. Minus 3 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. 100 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. Means to say any number having power 0 will be equal to 1.